an insult and a shame to the OBC community. ये OBC community का अपमान है। तो सवाल उठता है कि इस देश में कितने OBC हैं, कितने दलित हैं, कितने आदिवासी हैं, और उस सवाल का जवाब सिर्फ कास्ट सेंसस से मिल सकता है। ये आप बदलिए। ये जो लिस्ट है, ये ओबीसी समाज का अपमान है। 90 लोग हिंदुस्तान के सेक्रेटरी हैं, उनमें से 3 लोग ओबीसी समाज के हैं। 5% बजट को कंट्रोल करते हैं। जल्दी से जल्दी जो हमने कास्ट सेंसस किया था उसका डेटा आप रिलीज कीजिए, और अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो हम कर डालेंगे।
Ever since the first coordination committee meeting of the opposition-led India bloc, the caste census has been the subject of our politicians. It was raised in the parliament during the special session when the Women's Reservation Bill was passed. Rahul Gandhi even spoke in length about the caste census and OBC quota in his press conference. The caste census basically includes caste-wise data in the nationwide census. Amidst the demand to conduct a caste census, India Bloc Alliance Chief Minister Nitish Kumar released the caste survey of Bihar, which revealed that Bihar consisted of 27.13% of OBCs and 36% of extremely backward classes of its 13.07 crore population. The BJP-led central government has opposed the idea of conducting a caste census, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying that the opposition is dividing people on the basis of caste. The limelight is now on the Congress-run Karnataka government, which is yet to release the data from a 2015 social and education survey, consisting of caste data conducted by the then Siddaramaiah government. The OBC Commission said that Rs 163 crore was spent and 80% of the houses in the state were covered in the survey. However, the report was completed only in 2018 after an investigation in 2016 found a lack of data. The report hasn't been released since then because of a lack of signature of the then member secretary, making the report technically incomplete.
Then member secretary had not signed it. So they could not, maybe that is the reason they could not submit it to the government. Subsequently, the new member secretary could not sign the report because he was not there when the report was prepared. Subsequently, we wrote to the government. Now that government has asked us to go through the data and submit the report. In fact, it is this is an autonomous, there's no need for us to ask the government also. But we are finalizing it and submitting it to the government. We are almost in the final stage. Once it is completed, we'll submit it to the government. Maybe end of November we'll be able to.
ये कास्ट सेंसस का जो है हमारा स्टेट में करने के लिए बहुत दिन से चिंता है, और इसके लिए वो अध्ययन भी किया गया है. Very soon, we will also take a decision.
While BJP's CN Ashwath Narayan has said that this is a divisive move and politics in play.
The census, the caste census, with regard to caste census, the earlier UPA government itself was against it. Because it is completely enumeration in the census of the caste is the toughest job. The statement made by Sri Chidambaram and their own government. It was very clearly stated by that UPA government that caste census is not the way forward. Abhi, they want to do politics. For the sake of politics, they are just trying to play a divisive politics which is not in the interest of the society. So the Congress keeps changing their stand every now and then. They are not for the country, they are not for the society, they are just only to grab power, only for the sake of power.
The caste census is considered important as it would reveal the population of different socially and economically backward classes and help in making policies accordingly. This is also very important in terms of vote bank politics.
There is no pressure from the government to do it. But it's our duty to do it. We are doing it and giving it to the government.
So when it is implemented?
End of November. That's what we expect to complete it.
Should Karnataka government release the caste census, sir?
See, that releasing, the same thing I am telling you. It is a retrograde step. It is not a progressive step. जो भी good education, good healthcare, good governance, development, corruption free, this language they should speak, not trying to divide the society. We need to go as one. We need to go as one as an Indian. We need to go as a Kannadigas. We need to be more progressive, not trying to divide and being a divisive society.
What is your take on caste census? Is it a divisive move or a critical step towards reformation and equality? Do tell us in the comments below.